Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 28th of May. And first of all, national news. Excise licenses of Delhi hotels, clubs, restaurants extended till July 31. Nitin Gadkari criticized for not standing during Tamil Nadu state anthem. The Uttarakhand government on Friday announced its decision to implement the Uniform Civil Code in the state. Passengers suffered cardiac arrest mid-air in the airline owned by Wadia Group. Dr. Go first crew save him. India regarded as safe place for defense protection. Piyush Goyal at Davos. Over 18 lakh candidates registered for NEET UG 2022. Significant hike in enrollment from last year. And now some international news. Alexander Zinchenko wants to make Ukraine proud in World Cup playoff. European Union in talks for common purchase of monkeypox vaccine. Russia making gradual progress in Ukraine's Donbas. Boris Johnson. 10 dead, 30 injured in Russian strike on central Ukraine military base. Traditional dance in Kyrgyzstan used to treat the lung disease. And now some sports news. Sri Lanka versus Bangladesh. Dimut Karunaratne dedicated second test match win to his country. Need to be mentally strong. Mominal hack after test series loss versus Sri Lanka. IPL 2022 RR versus RCB senior players like Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell need to stand up, says Akash Chopra. And now let's have a look on weather. Monsoon likely to reach Kerala in next 2-3 days. Weather Office. The IMD had declared the onset of monsoon over Andaman and Nicobar Islands on May 16. The weather on May 28 in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 33 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 28 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you.